Hello and welcome, I'm Shiree Kay. Today I present to you this amazing property with massive potential. This opportunity comprises 4 lots of land with existing dwellings already completely rented, but there is the possibility to subdivide into approximately 220 residential housing lots. The median house price for Denmark currently sits at $390,000 with a growth of 5.4%. This is the highest median house price for the area since 2010, and this really indicates strong signs that the WA market is certainly recovering. As an increasingly popular lifestyle destination, potential buyers of the subdivided land will include retirees, downsizers and holidaymakers from Perth, plus fly-in, fly-out workers from Albany, just to mention a few. Denmark is located just 400 kilometres from Perth. It's possible to board a daily aeroplane and reach your destination in under just an hour's flight. For the savvy developer, there is an opportunity here to make a lot of money. For further details on this property, please contact me. I most look forward to assisting you.